Hello, good morning. Myself Manju Samaria, Assistant Professor in Economics, Government College, Tong. Today's my topic is international and inter-regional trade. Before this topic, I explained to you before video what is the what is the international trade and meaning, definition, and advantage the international trade. Now, this video I explained you about the difference between interregional and international trade. Another difference between interregional and international trade arises from the fact that policies related to commerce, trade, taxations, etc. are the same within a country, but in international trade there are artificial varies in the form of quotas, import duties, traffic, exchange control, etc. First difference between international and interregional trade is a factor immobility. The classical economics advocate a separate theory of international trade on the ground that factors of production are freely mobile within each region and between place and occupations and immobiles between countries entering into the international trade. Thus, labor and capital are regarded as immobiles between countries while they are perfectly mobile within a country. Now, second difference is differences in natural resources. Different countries are endowed with different types of natural resources. Hence, they tend to specialize in the production of those commodities in which they are richly endowed and trade them with other where such resources are scarce. In Australia, land is an abundance, but labor and capital are relatively scarce on the country. Capital is relatively abundant and cheap in England, while then land is scarce and dear there. Now, third is different geographical and climate difference. Every country cannot produce all the commodities due to geographical and climate conditions except at possible probabilities coast. For instance, Brazil has favorable climate geographical condition for the production of coffee, Bangladesh for jute, Cuba for wheat, sugar, etc. So countries having climate and geographical advantages specialize in the production of particular commodities and trade from them with other. And four different is different market. International market are separated by the difference in language uses, habit, taste, patience, etc. Even the system of weight and measure and pattern and style in machinery and equipment different from country to country. For instance, British railway engine and freight car are basically different from those in France or in the United States. Now, fifth is mobility of goods. There is also the difference in the mobility of goods between inter-regional and international market. The mobility of goods within a country is restricted by the only geographical distance and transformations cost, but there are many traffics and non-traffic varies on the movement of goods between countries. Besides export and import duties, there are quotas, VES, exchange control, export subsidies, dumping, etc., which restrict the mobility of goods at international place. And fifth difference is different currencies. The principal difference between inter-regional and international trade lies in use of different currency in foreign trade, but the same currency is domestic trade. Rupees is accepted throughout India from the north to south and from the east to the west. But if we cross over to Nepal or Pakistan, we must convert our rupees into their rupees to buy goods and service there. And seventh, of problem of balance of payment. Another important point which distinguishes international trade from interregional trade is the problem of balance of payment. The problem of balance of payment is perpetual international trade, while regional within a country have no much problem. There is because there is greater mobility of capital within region that between countries. Now, seven different is transport cost. Trade between countries involves high transport cost as against interregional within a country because of geographical distance between different countries. And nine different economics environment. Countries differ in their economic environment which affect their trade relations, the region transform work, institutional setup, monetary, physical and commercial policy factor, endowments, productions, technologies, nature is of product etc. Different between countries, but there is no much different in the economics environment within a country. And 10 different political group. Political group is a very important group because a significant distance between interregional and international trade is there, that all regions within a country belong to one political unit while different countries have different political unit. Later in regional trade is among people belong to the same country even though they may differ on the basis of caste, creed, religions, taste or custom. At last, different national policy. Another difference between inter-regional and international trade arises from the fact that policy relating to commerce, trade, actions, etc. are the same within a country, but in international trade there are artificial varies in the form of quotas, import duties, traffic, exchange control, etc. on the movement of goods and services from one country to another. At last, now conclusion. Therefore, the classical economics strayed on the basis of above argument that international trade was fundamentally different from domestic or inter-regional trade. Hence, they involved a separate theory of international trade based on the principle of comparative cost difference. Now, please solve this assignment. What is international trade? And second, the difference between inter-regional and international trade. Okay, at last, thanks.